Alternate Organism Label. At the end of this video, you will be able to create a BIOART rule using an alternate organism label. Navigate to VITEK 2 Systems Advanced Reporting Tool, BIOART software. Alternate Organism Label is a new BIOART action that applies a custom label, such as MRSA, VRE, VISA, MDRO, ESBL, etc., to an organism name and sends a user-defined organism code to the LIS. Begin by following the steps to create a custom BIOART rule. The user must have supervisor privileges to create, edit, or delete a rule. An alternate organism label can only be used with custom rules as they are specific to an individual institution. First, unlock the BIOART view by clicking on the Lock Unlock icon. Second, please read the warning message and then click Yes to acknowledge it. Third, click on the Create New icon. Then enter a unique name for your rule. Click OK to save. Alternate organism label will be an available action selection only if one of the following applies. The condition includes a single species or subspecies, no groups, with an antibiotic result, either MIC or interpretation, or a phenotype condition. To create an alternate organism label for methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, click on the plus sign in the Conditions pane. Select Organism as a condition type. Highlight Staphylococcus aureus in the hierarchy tree and click OK. Next, click on the plus sign again and select Antibiotic MIC as a condition type. Choose oxacillin from the antibiotic drop-down. Enter the MIC as greater than or equal to 4. Click OK. Click on the plus sign in the Actions pane and select Alternate Organism Label, BCI HL7. The first time an alternate organism label is created, the VITEK 2 software will prompt you to create a unique code. Once created, this label can be used in multiple rules as long as the organism and label are the same. To create a code, click on the plus sign. For each label, enter the following information. Alternate organism label displays in the software and on the lab report, and length must be no more than 4 characters. Alternate organism code used to transfer results to the LIS. This must be 5 or 6 characters. Confirm the code you wish to use with your LIS provider. Alternate organism name. The VITEK 2 software will populate this field automatically. Optional description. If utilized, this description only applies to the alternate organism label creation and will not be displayed on any isolate reports. Click OK when complete. As more labels are created, they will display in the available alternate organism labels table in the lower part of the screen. Other actions can be used in rules using the alternate organism label feature, such as stop for review or alert. Once the alternate organism label rule is created and enabled, the label will be applied to isolates that meet the defined conditions. MILA users, if your VITEK 2 system is connected to MILA, alternate organism label will not be available as an action selection. The alternate organism label action will be available for use with MILA 4.7 or higher after VITEK 2 systems has been updated to 9.02. If 2 or more alternate organism label rules exist for the same organism, there is the possibility that an isolate could meet the criteria for all alternate organism label descriptions. Only one alternate organism label may be applied to an isolate. The VITEK 2 will arbitrarily apply one of the labels to the isolate and will alert you to the situation of conflicting alternate organism label rules. Click on the alarm message icon for detailed information regarding the specific rules that are causing the conflict. In the event there is a conflict, navigate to BIOART and unlock the screen. The user must have supervisor privileges to create, edit, or delete a rule. Read the warning message and click Yes to acknowledge it. Disable the BIOART Alternate Organism Label rule that you do not want applied to the isolate. Save the changes and then lock the BIOART screen. Reanalyze the isolate. The desired alternate organism label rule is now applied to the isolate. Return to the VITEK 2 Systems Application BIOART screen and re-enable the alternate organism label rule so that it will fire as necessary in the future. Depending on the frequency of this organism's antibiogram in your laboratory, the conflicting rules may be adjusted or modified to prevent future conflicts from occurring. Be sure to save any changes you make to your rules.